Number systems are classified into two: weighted number system and non-weighted number system. Weighted number system is further classified into four types. First, binary number system. Second, octal number system. Third, decimal number system. And the fourth, hexadecimal number system. Binary number system, bi means 2, and therefore we have the base 2 in case of binary number system. Octal number system, octa means 8, and therefore base 8 for octal number system. In decimal number system, deci means 10, and therefore base is 10 for decimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, hexa means 16, and therefore base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Now we came across the word base. This base is also termed as radix. So the base or radix of binary number system is 2, base or radix of octal number system is 8, base or radix of decimal number system is 10, base or radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. Now why the base or radix of binary number system is 2? Because binary number system makes use of only 2 bits, binary 0 and binary 1. Therefore, the base or radix of binary number system is 2. In case of octal number system, the digits 0 to 7, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, total 8 digits are used to represent any number in octal number system, and therefore 8 is the base or radix of octal number system. In case of decimal number system, the digits used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, that is total 10 digits are used to represent any number in decimal number system, and therefore the base or radix of decimal number system is 10. In case of hexadecimal number system, the digits and alphabets used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is represented with alphabet A, 11 is represented with alphabet B, and so on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is represented with alphabet F. So from 0 to 15, that is total 16 digits plus alphabets are used to represent any number in hexadecimal number system, and therefore the base or radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. Let's define base or radix for any number system. The number of digits used to represent a number system is termed as its base or radix. Note here that all these number systems, binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal, are weighted number system. The numbering system, the short summary is over here. Binary number system, the base is 2, as only 2 binary bits are used to represent any number in binary number system. Octal number system, the base or radix is 8, and the digits includes 0 to 7, that is total 8. Decimal number system, the base or radix is 10 and the digits to represent any number in the decimal number system includes from 0 to 9. Next is hexadecimal number system. The base or radix of this number system is 16 and the digits or the alphabets from 0 to F are used to represent any number in hexadecimal number system. We are familiar with the decimal number system. The decimal number and its binary equivalent are being shown in the table. Decimal 0 is equivalent to binary 4 times 0. Decimal 1, binary equivalent 0001. We observe that from decimal number 0 to decimal number 9, the representation in decimal and hexadecimal is one and the same. Decimal number 10 onwards, in a hexadecimal number system, we see the alphabets coming into picture. Decimal 10 is equivalent to alphabet A in hexadecimal, 11 alphabet B, and so on, 12, 13, 14, 15 as C, D, E and F respectively. Now, why to study the binary number systems and the other number systems? Computers can understand only the machine language. The machine language is in the form of binary zeros and binary ones. And this is how binary language becomes important for us to look upon. Now let's try to find out the binary equivalent of the decimal numbers. Decimal number 0, its equivalent binary. Consider 8421. Which numbers from this, when added, will give us equal to 0? No numbers need to be added, and therefore below each number 8421 we place all zeros, and therefore decimal 10 is equivalent to binary 4 times 0. Decimal 1 equivalent to binary 1, the position is over here, and therefore below decimal 1 we place binary 1, and at rest all other places we place binary 0, because only 1 needs to be our answer. And this is how we get binary equivalent of decimal 1. Let's consider so on 5. Decimal 5 is equivalent to binary 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and therefore below 4 and below 1 we place binary 1s, and at rest all other places, that is below the digit 8 we place a 0, below the digit 2 we place a 0. And this is how we obtain the binary equivalent of decimal 5. Moving further, say for example decimal 7. It is equivalent to binary, so it's 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7, and we don't need 8 to be added into it. So below 8 we place a 0 and then 1, 1, 1. So binary equivalent 0, 1, 1, 1 we obtain for decimal 7. Moving further, decimal 15 is equivalent to binary. So 15 is obtained by adding all the 4 digits, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, and therefore below each digit we place binary 1. And this is how 4 times 1 is the binary equivalent of decimal 15. Now, why 8, 4, 2, 1? Because 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8. Now next, if decimal 16, its equivalent is equal to what? Binary. In that case, we continue over here. 8, 4, 2, 1, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. We know the addition of 8, 4, 2, 1 gives us total 15. Therefore, we move further with 2 raised to 4 this time. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. And now decimal 16 is equivalent to, below 16 place binary 1, and we obtain 16 with just one placed below the number 16, and therefore place zeros at rest all other places. That means 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, we get the decimal equivalent of the number 16 as its binary equivalent 1 4 times 0. Similarly, for 17 it will be 16. Below 16 we place binary 1, and 16 plus 1 gives us 17, and at rest all other places below 8, 4 and 2 we place binary 0, as we are not adding them to obtain decimal number 17. And this is how binary equivalent of decimal 17 is obtained. The binary number system. As we know, base is 2 for the binary number system, as only the two symbols binary 0 and binary 1 is used to represent any number in binary number system. This binary 0 or binary 1 is termed as a bit. Let's focus on the weights in binary number system. We have the binary point, and then the integer part of the number and the fractional part of the number. The weights are as like. Starting towards the left, the first weight is 2 raised to 0, then 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, and so on. 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, and so on. With 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, and so on. It continues. 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 4, and so on. The bit towards the rightmost side is the least significant bit in case of binary number system, and the digit towards the rightmost side, here it's 2 raised to 3, is the most significant bit or most significant digit in case of binary number system. The point to be noted over here is that the base of binary number system is 2, and therefore everywhere the weights are being indicated with the power 2 raised to the power. Second, the decimal number system. As we know, the base or radix of decimal number system is 10, as the symbols from 0 to 9 are used to represent any number in decimal number system. Let's give emphasis on the weights in case of decimal number system. As like binary number system, we have here, instead of binary point, we have the decimal point because it's a decimal number system, and then we have the integer part on towards the left and the fractional part towards the right of the decimal point. Focusing towards the weights, we have the nearest weight to the decimal point towards the left as 10 raised to 0, then 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, and so on, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, it continues. For the fractional part, the power starts with 10 raised to minus 1, then 10 raised to minus 2, and so on. Because the base or radix of decimal number system is 10, we everywhere consider 10 to the power. In case of binary number system, it was 2 to the power. This point is to be noted. As like binary number system, we have the least significant digit towards the rightmost side and the most significant digit towards the leftmost side. As octal number system is not there included in the syllabus, we move on to the next number system, which is hexadecimal number system. The base or radix of this number system is 16, and therefore everywhere when we look towards the positional weights of hexadecimal number system, we will consider here 16 to the power. We have the hexadecimal point, then the integer part of the number, and then the fractional part of the number. Starting with 16 to the power 0, 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2, and so on, it continues. For the fractional part, the power starts with minus 1, 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2, and so on, it continues. So the difference we observed between the binary number system, the decimal number system, and the hexadecimal number system with the weighted powers is, in binary number system, it was 2 to the power. In decimal number system, it was 10 to the power. In hexadecimal number system, it's 16 to the power. This is how, using the base or radix of that particular number system, we write the positional weights for that particular number system.